Okay girls, Assalamu alaikum. As we have already started unit number 7, Introduction to PowerPoints, and in our previous lecture we have discussed the parts of a PowerPoint window. Today we are going to start with page number 96, how to create a new presentation. Whenever we are creating a new presentation, there are 3 ways to create it. Number 1 is by using a blank presentation, number 2 is by using themes, and number 3 is by using templates. Now we will see this one by one. Number 1 is using a blank presentation. Whenever you open a new presentation, the options come in the in front of you, which we discussed in the last lecture also, that the blank presentation option comes in front of you whenever you go to the new option. Here, when you select on the new option, you can see in front of you this is the blank presentation option. This when you click on this blank presentation option, a blank presentation opens up for you without anything but a white paper with no background colors or no details regarding font and others. The second method of creating a presentation is by using themes. What are themes? Themes is a unique set of colors, fonts and effects that quickly change the look of an entire slideshow. So basically themes, whenever we select a theme for our presentation, it chooses specific colors, fonts and effects on entire slides, or the whole presentation look changes whenever we apply a theme. The colors, maybe it is a black and white theme, so all the colors will be black and white, and then font would be specific according to that theme, like that. And themes can be applied to tables, smart arts, graphics, shapes or charts. So within a theme, the tables can be different from one theme to another theme. When you see the table, it looks different. Similarly, shapes and charts also look different from one theme to another. Now how we apply a theme is that when we are creating a presentation, we go to the file tab and we go to the new option. Here, other than the blank presentation, you can see down here there are some other options also available. These are the themes. These are various themes. You can see the first theme, it has a background of this light grayish brown color, and then there is a border at the bottom of this slide, and there is a specific font written in gallery, and the heading is underlined. If you see this theme, it has the background gray, and the headings are written in with white boxes. If you see this theme, it has a white background, and the text type, you can see it is a different font. It is written on a gray box. So these are different themes which if you will select any one of this theme, the whole of your presentation will look like the same. Every slide, if I select, for example, if I select the first theme, like this gallery theme, all of my slides will look like this, and everything which I write on the top of it would be similar to how the gallery is written on this theme picture. So we can select a theme whenever we are starting a new presentation, or if we have already created a blank presentation and we want to apply a theme to our blank presentation, we can go to the design tab. In the design tabs, you can see the theme group is there, and you can see various themes present over there, and there is a more button. If you click on that more button, it will view you it will show you to the themes gallery, which look like something like this. There's a whole gallery of themes. You can scroll up and down and select any theme of your choice. And when you have selected a theme, then how you apply it is that you right click on on that theme. Whenever you right click, it gives you different options or different ways of applying the theme onto your presentations. For example, you can apply a theme to all the slides, or you can apply a theme to only one specific slide, or you can apply a theme to some matching slides. So there are different options of applying themes to your presentation. Excuse me. Now the third way of creating a presentation is by using templates. What is a template? Template is a pre-designed presentation you can use to create a new slideshow quickly. Templates often include custom formatting and designs. They can save you a lot of time and effort when starting a new project. So when I talk about template is basically an already designed presentation. It has the background, the title slide is designed, the content slides are also designed, and they are custom designed, like they are according to one user, and user creates a design and then it uploads it as a template which can be used by other users as well. So if you want to use a template, you when you go to the new in a new tab in the file tab, when you select the new option, there is a search bar on the top. You can search any template by typing its name. For example, here I will give you example. If I type chalkboard in the search bar, it shows me some slides which are in which have a background related to chalkboard or education. So now I get a slide, a few templates for the slides. I can select any one and my slide will be look like the same. When we select a template for a slide, it provides us some information about that slide, and then we can click the option create to actually create our presentation according to that template. So these were the three ways of creating a presentation. Number one was by creating a blank presentation. Number two was by using themes, and number three was by using templates. Now we will see that once we have created a presentation in any of these three ways, how we can edit a presentation. In the start, whenever we create a presentation, every presentation has only one slide, which is known as the title slide, and we need to insert more slides to our presentation as we go further with our presentation. So the first thing, or the important thing we need to learn, is that how we can insert a new slide. For inserting a new slide, when you go to the home tab, you can easily see the new slide option. In the home tab, you can click on the new slide. It will create a new slide, and if you click on the arrow on down the new slide, there will be different options for the slide uh, uh, design. It can be a slide with the placeholders, two placeholders like this, and this placeholder we have studied it before as well. That placeholders indicate that this is the way I can write my text into a slide. For example, if I select this slide, uh, uh, I can place text in two columns below and one heading on the top. Similarly, as I select different slide type, it will provide me different placeholders to write my text within that slide. So now once I have inserted a slide, the next step is to write something, to write content into your slide. Now to write slide, we need to insert text, and we always write text, we always type text in placeholders. Placeholders are the dotted boxes which are already present on your slides. What you do is, when you want to write, you just click in one of the placeholder and your text is placed inside that box, and you can use the keyboard to type in whatever you want to type within that placeholder. Next is, if you want to insert any picture to your slides, you can go to the insert tab, and there is an option for pictures. You can when you click on the pictures option here, it opens up a picture dialog box, and from where you can browse your system. You can use any picture that is already saved in your system and use it on your slides. It will appear on the slide. You can also insert online pictures. When you go to the insert tab, there is an option for online pictures. When you click the online pictures option, it takes you to a dialog box which is known as insert picture dialog box, and here you can see there are different options A, B, C, D, which are some websites from where you can search an image onto those websites. Like Bing is a search engine. You can type in something and it will search images for you, and you can insert an image from an online source. This is all for today. Now the classwork is that we are going to do 3 questions. Question number 1, 2 and 3 of unit 7. Question number 1 is name the tab and the group that has the option to insert pictures. The answer is insert tab and the group is images group. Question number 2 is mention 3 ways of creating a presentation. Answer is 3 ways of creating a presentations are by using a blank presentation, by using themes, by using templates. Question number 3, how can you apply a theme to an already created blank presentation? If you have already created a blank presentation and you want to apply a theme to it, what you do is you click on the design tab and in the themes group you click the more button. This opens the themes gallery and from there you can select any theme which you want to apply. This is all for today. Now your homework is that you have to complete your classwork like question number 1, 2 and 3. Write it on your notebooks and then learn question number 1, 2 and 3 also. That's all for today. I hope everything is clear. Goodbye.